Hey guys, this is Brad from Yosef's Gearbox Repairs. This is another Toyota Corolla. I've also rebuilt the MMT gearbox system. Well, it's got quite a high mileage. The vehicle was slipping profusely in gear shifts and jumping out of fourth gear. So now I've finished rebuilding it. I've done the calibration and adjustments, so I'm going to take it for a test drive and let's see how it goes, but I believe it will drive very well. Okay, I put into reverse now. Okay, now it's got a nice creep function. It's creeping backwards. Okay, right, we are going to now select drive. Okay, it is in drive now. You can see how the car is creeping forward without applying the accelerator pedal. Now let's drive now. See, it's driving very nicely. Gear shift is excellent. No slippage, no flare on the gear shifts. So and it's not jumping out of gears. Okay, now I'm gonna accelerate now. See, now it's got a nice downshift. Wow, beautiful. The gear shift is awesome. I'm very happy. So a little bit of a further test drive and I will call my client to come and collect his vehicle. I'm getting quite a few more getting a numerous amount of Toyotas fitted with the MMT transmissions. So I'm doing quite a few of them now, and I'm very happy to assist you as a client when you have problems with your MMT Toyota transmissions. So please Google Brad's Auto and Gearbox Repairs or Yosef's Gearbox, and then you can get me on WhatsApp and I will gladly assist you. My WhatsApp number is 083 457 9559 and I will gladly assist you.